Our today's lecture is on ocean thermal energy conversion, introduction and availability. The content of our lecture is learning outcomes, introduction of ocean thermal energy conversion, working principle of ocean thermal energy conversion, availability of ocean thermal energy conversion. After this lecture, student will able to know about the ocean thermal energy conversion and its sources. You are able to understand how we are converting ocean thermal energy into electrical energy. You will know the availability of ocean thermal energy conversion. It means OTEC. Ocean thermal energy conversion OTEC is a process that can produce electricity by using the temperature difference between the deep cold ocean water and warm tropical surface of water. OTEC is an energy technology that converts solar radiations into electrical power. This will utilize solar energy. We know that the oceans are the largest solar energy collector. So they collect the solar radiation at its surface. So there is a temperature difference between surface water and deep ocean water. This will utilize for generation of the electricity. The ocean contains enough energy power all of the world electrical needs. Ocean cover more than 70% of Earth's surface, making them the world's largest solar collectors. OTEC is a renewable energy technology that converts solar radiation into electrical power by using ocean. Ocean thermal energy conversion process use temperature difference between cold deep water whose temperature is about 5 degrees centigrade and warm surface water approximately temperature 27 degrees centigrade to power a turbine to generate the electricity. On an average day, 60 million square kilometers of tropical sea absorb an amount of solar radiation equals in heat content to about 250 billion barrels of oil. This plant works on the principle of closed Rankine cycle. The warm water is used to evaporate working fluid like ammonia or halocarbon refrigerant. Evaporated fluid expands in a low pressure turbine which is coupled with a turbine generator to produce electricity. This is the basic diagram of OTEC system. As you see in this diagram, there are two pipes, one at the top surface, one at the bottom surface. First pipe is connected to evaporator that will use to evaporate the working fluid. This will make working fluid into vapor. That vapor goes to the turbine generator. This will run the turbine, and now low heated working fluid comes to the condenser that will condensed by cold deep sea water. This is the entire cycle of generation of electricity from the availability of OTEC. It is estimated that the amount of energy that can be practically harvested to be into order of 3 to 5 terawatt. You know the conversion, 1 terawatt is approximately 10 to the power 12 watts of base load power generation without affecting the temperature of the ocean or the world's environment. That's about twice the global electricity demand. Mackay Ocean Energy Thermal Energy Conversion Plant is the world's biggest operational facility of its kind, with an annual power generation capacity of 100 kilowatt, which is sufficient to power 120 homes in Hawaii of USA. India is geographically well placed to generate ocean thermal energy with around 2000 km of coast length along the South Indian coast, where a temperature difference of about 20 degrees centigrade is available throughout the year. India's Maiden Ocean Thermal Energy Conversion project is coming up in Kavarati, capital of Lakshadweep. Thank you.